This project is built with Highland stone freestanding wall units and column units. Excavate the trench for the freestanding wall and column. Overall depth is 12 inches. The wall trench width is 21 inches, and the column trench is 39 inches square. The leveling pad itself is 6 inches deep, built in 2 lifts, thoroughly compacted after each lift. For this course, place the first column unit so both finished edges are 6 inches from the edge of the leveling pad. Level side to side and front to back. Place the second column unit perpendicular to the first. Do the same for the third unit, and cut or split a column unit in half for the last corner. Cut or split a medium wall unit and center it on one side of the column, working outward. Place a large wall unit halfway into the remaining space of the column. Cut off the face as needed for a tighter fit. Continue the walls with a random pattern and staggered bond. Backfill to the top of this course. Place or split a cut column unit in the corner to start the next course. Round this in all newly split exposed ends with a hammer and chisel. Then add 3 full-size column units in staggered bond. Glue these units. Next, place a large unit in the open space left in the column to integrate the wall and column. Build the remaining wall using wall units in a random pattern and staggered bond. Continue to build the wall using the pattern established in the first 2 courses. Finish this project by gluing the top 2 courses of the wall, all column units, and the caps with concrete adhesive.